said, but wait, what are these colors? And that's when I learned about muted colors, and colors that are less saturated.
Right. And you can even put them side by side, you know, with other brighter colors, you know, if that's what's going to serve the illustration, you know.
So the reason I was saying that, you know, there's an infinite amount of different ways that the instrument could be played. And one is, I discovered that I could play the harp like this. Keep it rolling. That's one style, and then you have like